Hello, my beautiful creations tribe. How are y'all today? I am here in Beautiful Creations Studio getting some things done, and I've already painted the walls, and I did 2 colors. I love this yellow. They both are yellow. This side is a lighter yellow. It's called Limitless. And I chose that color because I like the color for one, but I like the Limitless because I love to create and my creativity is limitless. And that's why I chose these colors as well. I think yellow is a bright, sunny color and it keeps the creativity flowing. This is a really bright room. It gets sunshine early morning and it really hits the room very well. So, I also painted my closet yellow because it don't have a light in here, but I want it to be as bright as possible. I think I'm gonna put some little lights in there to bring out, this will be my storage of course, but to help me find things a little bit better. But I wanted to make it yellow also to give some brightness. So this is what it's looking like so far. Got all the carpet pulled up. Okay, so my problem is right now, I tried to start on this end with the hardwood floors because we got the doorway done here. But I just keep running into a problem because the wood is not even up against the wall because I had to cut it to fit the doorway here. So I'm just gonna start on the upper end of the room where I got already a flat surface to start with and just go from there. But I'm telling you, this floor has given me hell on that side. So that's what I'm gonna do there. So I'm just gonna start on this end. And so far, so good. So hopefully I can get a lot of stuff done, at least, let me see, probably to this line today, hopefully. And I wanted to show you guys, I put my affirmations here, wrote some things down just for some manifestations. I thought I would just go ahead and write it on the subboard. And just manifest those things. So I based everything around getting the chakras aligned. So it's I am, I talk, I understand, I see, I love, I feel, I do. So, and I just made a circle of different affirmations around that. Okay, so yes, it snowed. Snow is still lingering from I think it snowed the weekend, and it is Thursday today. The children were out of school for like 3 days, 2.5 days, I believe. But anyway, don't y'all love the way this open window is, where you can just see, I can see who's coming up in the neighborhood. But I'm excited about my room. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I applaud myself for the small accomplishments. I don't overwork myself like I used to when I'm doing a project. I put myself on a timer and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this much at this time, I'm gonna stop. So I don't wear myself out. So, and I feel like it's the small steps, the small wins that get you to the final destination. What is the saying? It's not given to the swift, but the ones that endure to the end. So I feel very positive that these floors gonna come together like they should. So I'm just praying that when I get to the other side, that they're able to meet up like they should. So if not, I will figure it out. So yes, and I got this closet where I'm gonna have to go crossways as well. So I know that's gonna be, it may not be as challenging as I think, but I've had worse projects than this that I have completed. So I always like the challenge. So I just wanted to share with you guys on my little journey that I've been on, getting Beauti4Cre8ions Studio back up and running. We pulled up all the carpet in our house, and this was the last room for it in the house, inside the house. My husband has a man cave in the basement, so we haven't decided what we're gonna do. As we're probably gonna pull up the carpet, but what we're gonna put down in his room. But far as upstairs in the house, this is the last room. So this room has been weighing on me because it is disrupting my creativity, and creativity is life for me. So I'm excited, and I just can't wait to get everything done. I already have a vision for the room. So, you know, it's a new year, 2025, and, you know, sometimes it's just that time for change. And we know that we're in a big, big shift. And I'm ready to shift. So, yeah. I've been procrastinating this room, but like I said, we did the entire house. We changed all the hardwood floors. Changed all the carpet out and put hardwood floors. So this was the last room. So I'm just ready. I got so many ideas, guys. So many ideas, so many creations, so many things that I'm just ready to explore and get up and running, and share with you guys in my adventure. So I hope you guys are out here creating, you know, it's a resetting your ideas. Time is really moving fast, I'm telling you. So you got to move with the motion, move with the frequency, move with the energy. Stop procrastinating and get going, because God has so many things in store for those that take action. So I'm taking action to remodel my studio and get to being creative. So if you are down with being creative, give me a thumbs up and cheer me on with getting this floor down. Floor down. So I know the challenges it's only making you better. So don't give up. I will show you guys the finished results. I told you guys I was gonna let you see my journey, and this is where I'm at the moment. So Okay, I am gonna get back to work and get it done. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great Thursday and Happy New Year.